green, healthy, super delicious, and made with an ancient biblical ingredient. Trust me, you'll be surprised how much goodness is hiding in this bowl. You know, David, don't you agree? You guys, Israelis can make anything good better, just like this salad we're going to make.
Let's go.
Hi everybody, I'm Rifki with Haolam, and of course I'm here with our Haolam chef, Chef David.
Hello everybody.
We're very happy to be with you because we have got all of these delicious fresh vegetables and fruits to make an amazing summer salad for you today.
Yes, and we even grow something for this salad by ourselves.
We did, right in the Haolam office. So everybody, as David said, we actually sprouted these lentils ourselves. And it's super, super easy to do. And the reason why you'd want to sprout is it gives you added nutritional punch to your lentils. It releases even more of the vitamins and minerals. Mm-hmm. We got a nice big sieve. You can do it in any kind of sieve. What you want to do, first of all, is soak your lentils overnight. So we soaked them at home, and then we brought them to the office. And we put them in this sieve. The key here is that it gives you nice aeration. If the lentils or the legumes sit in water, they can get slimy, they can mold. It's just not a good idea. So you want to make sure that they have good aeration. Also, you should rinse them twice a day. So in the morning and in the evening, give them a good rinse. And then the other thing that you want to do is cover them over while they're sprouting. We started these, we soaked them Monday night. Mm-hmm. And we started sprouting on Tuesday morning is when we put them into the sieve. And today, just so you know, it's Thursday. Mm-hmm. And you can see they've sprouted beautifully. Look at these gorgeous little tails that they have on them. It's just so cute. And it's easy to do. So I hope that if you've never sprouted before, you feel encouraged to give it a go. Because I knew we were using them today, I wanted, to get the tails on them quickly. So I did put a damp cloth paper towel on them overnight, just so that they would have the moisture that they needed.
Amazing. Look nice.
Okay, super. So David, step me through the ingredients that we're going to use for this salad.
It's a very simple salad, very fresh, not so much ingredients. Of course, we'll use our sprouted lentils that we prepared. We will use fresh cilantro, fresh mint, green onion, celery, a fresh apple. And for the dressing, we will use Israeli olive oil, salt, lemon juice, and a sumac.
Ooh, yeah.
It will give you more twists.
And again, sumac from Spice Road Farms, those guys are awesome. We have a visitor center, by the way. If you're ever in Israel, you're always invited to go see their farm. Dead sea salt from Idan Zait, olive oil from the Beit Shan Valley. Amazing. And ceramics, of course, from our artists. Okay,
let's go. Okay,
all right.
So let's start with cutting our green ingredients. Mm-hmm. We don't want this part. Okay, we just cut it on pieces like this.
I love celery. I love how crunchy it is.
Crunchy,
crispy.
Fresh. Also smells good.
Everybody, I wish that you were standing exactly where I'm standing next to Chef David, because the scent is pretty incredible. I can smell the mint, I can smell the cilantro, the sumac.
Let's put in our bowl.
Okay. This is nice. Okay.
Now, let's make onions.
Okay. And I was surprised when you said 3 onions. I was like,
oh, no, we not cut it all the way. I mostly use the first part. It's more intense by flavor. So we cut this part. So we don't need.
And you guys, when I purchase the ingredients, the fruit and vegetables, I go to this wonderful little farm-to-table store here on the kibbutz where the Haolam office is. And I like it because it's all Israeli farmers, and it's another way to support the farmers of Israel. So kind of just like you are supporting the farmers of Israel when you use the olive oil or some of the other tapenades that we send, we're also, while we're filming, supporting those same farmers that you support. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel. So pro.
Just like this is enough.
Takes me longer to do this.
Don't need too much.
Yeah. Okay.
Like this will be enough.
Okay.
Now we'll take a green apple. I cut it by sides.
So crispy, and it adds such a delicious, like
sweetness,
tart, crisp crunch to the salad. As you're chopping everything, I'm thinking to myself, we should probably call this Israeli summer salad. Yeah?
It's a good name.
Israeli super summer salad. My friend, if you have a good name for this salad, let us know.
Yeah.
But it is perfect for summer.
I will cut also by cubes like this.
Yeah.
And now our greens. I will take on the leaves from the mint. Also smelling amazing. So fresh.
You know, you could serve the salad with a nice lemonade and mint, because in Israel we drink a lot of its limonana, which is lemonade with mint in it. Wouldn't that be a perfect complement?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, my eyes.
I know.
Because of the onion.
We're experiencing the effect
strong.
of the chopped onion at the moment. If we start weeping, it's not you, it's us.
I think this is enough. All together. And also cut it like this.
David.
Sweet.
It's nice.
Mint inside.
I feel like this makes the salad, just like pops it.
And our last part. This is cilantro. Also cilantro. Also cut it like this. Not too much. Like this. Okay. And now let's put our main ingredient. Our sprouted lentils.
You know, I always love how something so, like, could not be more simple.
Yeah.
This could not be more simple. I'm also always thinking about, like, how you get your kids to get engaged with more nutritious food, you know, and this is fun. They can actually sprout with you, and then because they did the sprouting, they're more excited to try the salad, So.
And now let's make our dressing.
Ah, perfect, yeah.
First we'll put our Israeli olive oil, but I think it's empty.
I guess we used it up. Oh, I know what. We have the box from April
Even better.
with olive oil. This is amazing.
New one.
Fresh, brand new olive oil. We keep our Haolam members very well stocked in olive oil from Israel. Oh, look at the color of that oil. Wow.
So for fresh salad, fresh olive oil.
This olive oil comes from a farm called Shimshon Farm that's just outside of Jerusalem. Really an amazing place because it is a family farm. They're now 3 generations on the farm tending to olive trees there's some really ancient olive trees on their land because it's in the same place as an ancient Jewish settlement. So like this olive oil, truly trees that were growing during biblical times in the land of Israel.
Amazing.
How cool is that?
Now let's put a little bit salt inside.
Ah, nice.
Just cut the fresh lemons. See
Okay.
how much juicy.
Israeli lemons. We've got to figure out a way how to put those into the Haolam box.
Half a lemon juice.
That is beautiful.
And our secret ingredient, 1 teaspoon.
Sumac.
Sumac.
Some of you may have received sumac from Spice Road Farms in previous boxes. You know, I first tasted sumac. I was actually hiking in the Jerusalem forest with a friend of mine, and it was growing there, so we were able to pick it and eat it. Yeah, it was really cool.
Amazing.
It's such a unique taste.
Yes. Just mix all together well.
Don't forget, subscribe to our channel. Wow. Israeli summer salad with biblical dressing. Yeah? I mean, olive oil, biblical. That's thousands and thousands of years we've had olive oil industry. Sumac, biblical, grew during biblical times.
You can taste, you can add more lemon or salt by your taste. Depends how you want to your dressing be.
Wow.
And after you mix...
David, I need a new word for when I'm cooking with you. I always go, wow, amazing, but it is so wow.
Simple and wow. And now when it's ready, just pour over everything.
Could not be easier.
And let's mix it.
Yeah. This is something that I would for sure make for like Shabbat table in the summertime. It's always nice to have fresh salads.
Look at colors.
Yeah.
Fresh, crunchy, very light also salad. It's not heavy salad.
If you wanted to turn it into a full meal, you could serve it with some salmon. David has an amazing baked fish recipe. That would be good also with this.
Yeah, it's ready and we're ready to serve.
If you want to cook like an Israeli, then you are in luck. We have prepared a beautiful recipe book just for you. It's filled with wonderful recipes from right here in the Holy Land. And if you would like to receive your totally free recipe book from us at Haolam, just follow the link in the comments below and we will be happy to share the recipe book with you. Ceramic bowls, Haolam box, as usual. I always tell the producers that we work with, the artists that we work with, I say, I think about you every day. Like when I'm eating my cereal in the morning or I'm having my yogurt, I'm thinking about you because I'm eating it from a bowl that you made. Or Batya, who made the netilat cup, I tell her I think about her every single time I'm washing my hands. So every single day I think about Batya because she's like in my house. It's nice. Oh, that smells, wow.
It's onion, I think, yeah?
Yeah, it smells very good.
Okay.
It's fragrant. Oh, thank you. This is always the moment of truth. It looks amazing. Yes. It smells amazing. Yes. We've come up with a very nice name for it, or I have anyway. This is for me going to be the Israeli summer salad with biblical dressing.
Yeah, it looks like a look.
Yeah.
So green.
Okay.
So let's try.
It's the moment of truth, David. It is the moment of truth. Oh. I'm in.
Fresh, sour.
There's like an explosion going on in my mouth. My taste buds it's like they're at a rave. It's fantastic. You've got the crunchy, and there's like little tiny sweetness from the apple.
Yeah. Sourness, different flavors.
Yeah. I think the lemon and the sumac just really make this pop. I'm going to do one more bite just to be sure.
Nice.
David, this is really good.
Amazing. I like it a lot also.
And the lentils are not too strong. They just add like, I want to say like a punctuation mark. Yeah.
I think everything play well here.
I love it. I really love it. This really is such a good salad, and I love it. I love being able to share these recipes that, we do in Israel with all of you. Be sure to, by the way, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out. David always brings great new ideas, ways to use the products that you get in your Haolam boxes, or just to use Israeli products to create the flavors of Israel in your home, right? It's very cool.
I think it's an amazing channel, amazing way to meet with the people, to know more about the people who produce these amazing products, about the Israeli culture, about the food, how it's connected, and to have a real connection with Israel, with its people. I think it's an amazing way, and please welcome.
Yeah, please do, and check out the link just below if you want to know more about Haolam. And everybody, thank you so much for cooking with us today. Thanks, David.
You're welcome. Thank you, and see you.
Bye.
Bye.